From ISKCON Youth Forum Ghaziabad, I Gajendra Das welcomes you today. Have you ever played a quiz which will test your spiritual quotient? Just like we have IQ test, similarly we have spiritual intelligence quotient test. Today this quiz will have two questions for you. In the first question you have to select or elect a world leader among the three candidates. And then in the second question there is a disturbing situation and you have to decide what to do. And then we will tell the answers of the quiz, and at the end there will be some lessons derived out of the quiz. So let us start this quiz. The first question. There are three leading candidates for world leader position. The first candidates, the facts for A. Associates with crooked politicians, consults astrologists, keeps 2 women, chain smokes and drinks 8 to 10 glasses of wine per day. Candidate B was kicked out of office twice, sleeps until noon, used opium in college, drinks quarter of whiskey daily evening. Candidate C is a declared war hero, vegetarian, no smoking, no extramarital affair, drinks occasional beer. Now you can pause the video, think for 2 minutes and decide, or you can reverse the video to hear the facts of the three leading candidates again. And then I will pose the next question, in which there is a woman who is going to give birth to a child, and she has already 8 kids, out of which 3 are deaf, 2 are blind and 1 is mentally retarded. The lady has a deadly disease in her body and she is thinking whether she should give birth to that child or not. You have to suggest to that lady whether she should give birth to that child or not. Now you can pause the video, think for the answers, and I will reveal the answers now. The answer for the quiz is candidate A is Franklin D. Roosevelt. He was an American politician and he was elected the President of America from 1933 to 1944. 4 times world record of American presidential elections. Candidate B is Winston Churchill, who was Prime Minister of United Kingdom, British statesman, army officer and a writer. He was elected in 1940 to 1945 during World War II, in which he led the country to victory. And again he was elected as the Prime Minister of United Kingdom from 1951 to 1955. Candidate C is Adolf Hitler, who was the German politician and the Chancellor of Germany from 1940 to 1945. And he was the Chancellor of Germany from 1933 to 1945. He was the leader of the Nazi Party and he initiated World War II by invading Poland on 1st of September 1939. So these are some most powerful and renowned personalities of the world history. Everyone knows about them. Now the answer of the second question is yes, that she should give birth to that child because that child was Beethoven. Beethoven was the greatest of all Western composers of classical music in the history of modern world. So these are surprising results of the quiz, and there are some lessons derived out of this quiz. The first lesson is that we should not hate anyone by seeing the faults in the character of a person because he is also the son of God. Second lesson is that no one knows the plan of God, for whom God has planned what. Therefore, we should not kill a child in the womb. The third lesson is that we commit mistakes and blunders in judging others, so we do not have right to judge others, after which we will regret because of wrong judgment. The lesson 4 is don't be so quick to judge others, because there is a common saying in English, amateurs built the ark while professionals build the Titanic. So if you want to nourish or groom your spiritual vision about seeing the world around, you should read Bhagavad Gita as it is by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. If you like this quiz of spiritual vision, you can join ISKCON Youth Forum Ghaziabad Telegram group. Thank you. Hare Krishna.